Oh, all right, everybody. This is for Yipunch. Yipunch. And he has 2 Letterman boxes and then 2 Prizm boxes. So let's go ahead and let's get his Letterman out of the way first. Yeah, I know, right? We've only got 3 Signature Stars boxes left. So that means we only have to open 3 more of those. We've got a couple more. Let me see. We've got a couple more Prizm boxes and a couple more Letterman to open. But that's it, and then we're done. And then we're done, man. All right, guys, let's see what he's got here. Box 1, Chase Darno. Not bad. Not bad, Chase Darno. Ryan Westmoreland for the Red Sox. That's a nice one. 1 of 5 on the Westmoreland. He is a definitely a Red Sox fan favorite. Zach Collier /20 for the Phillies. This is a good box. A lot of color in this box. Robbie Ross for the Rangers. And there's a one that sells pretty well. Che Swan Lin. Che Swan Lin for the Red Sox. All right, and then box 2. Brett Hunter for the A's. And Pedro Alvarez for Pittsburgh Pirates. That's a nice one. Joshua Fields, 20 of 20. Seattle. Anthony Hewitt for the Phillies. And last one, Reese Havens for the Mets. Reese Havens. All right, quite a few names you can recognize out of there. Now, let's see what we can get them out of Prizm. See if we can get them some color. Now let's do it like this. Paul Gasol, Prizm. Michael Carter Williams. Oh, that's a nice auto. Oh, no way. Look at that. It's the Rick Barry Black Prizm 1/1 auto. Holy hell. No way. Damn, that's awesome. Hey, and he went to sleep. He's going to wake up in the morning and be like, holy smokes. Wow, that's awesome. Nice card. Holy hell. That's awesome. Steve Nash. You never know what's just, lurking in these boxes sitting on the shelf. I imagine he'll be pretty happy with his hit tomorrow when he wakes up and checks the video. LeBron James insert. CJ McCollum Prizm. Nice card. Blake Griffin Prizm. Kobe Bryant Prizm. Carrick Felix for the Cavs. Vince Carter Prizm. Paul George. Prizm Auto, Jared Sullinger to 15, 25. 13 out of 25. Tim Hardaway Jr., 16 out of 49. Terrence Ross. And we've got Marcin Gortat, Prizm insert. Russell Westbrook. Kyle Lowry. Rudy Gobert. And that's it, guys. Pretty good, pretty good break there for the Prizm. I'll take it. All right, so we've got Rudy Gobert, Kyle Lowry, Westbrook, Gortat, Ross, all Prizms, Tim Hardaway, purple to 49, Jared Sullinger, Prizm auto to 25, Vince Carter, Carrick Felix auto, Kobe Bryant, Blake Griffin, CJ McCollum, Steve Nash, all Prizm, Rick Barry, black Prizm 1 of 1, and Paul Gasol Prizm. Nice. Just crazy break. Absolutely crazy. He's going to be happy with that when he gets up in the morning, that's for sure.